I am a warrior. You may not feel like a warrior right now. Life may have hit you harder than you expected. Things may not have gone the way you planned. You may be carrying weight that no one else can see. But hear this, you are still here, and that means something. A warrior isn't someone who never struggles. A warrior is someone who gets back up when everything in them wants to stay down. A warrior keeps going when the mind says quit. You don't need perfect conditions. You don't need approval. You don't need to have it all figured out. What you need is faith, because when you walk with God, you're not fighting alone. He goes before you. He stands beside you. He strengthens you when you feel weak. So today, stand up, not in your own strength, but in His. Say it with me. I am not broken. I am not finished. I am a warrior. Restored life after.